Hi, Deirdre Lane with Earth Clinic. In this video, I'm going to show you an effective way to use a do-it-yourself inexpensive hyaluronic acid serum to hydrate your skin, and 2 important supplements to take internally with this serum to boost its effectiveness. Now, hyaluronic acid is a skin hydrator that binds water and keeps the skin looking hydrated and healthy. It is one of the most potent skin humectants, but it has to be used properly. You're going to end up with severely dry skin, and especially if you live in a dry climate like Arizona, California, or Colorado. Hyaluronic acid works by absorbing moisture like a sponge. It temporarily adds water to the topmost layer of the skin and provides short-lived fullness or plumpness. If you apply it to really dry skin, it absorbs the moisture from the skin instead of pulling it towards it. So I'm going to give you tips so you don't dry out your skin and have absolutely the best results. Hyaluronic acid is a large chain of sugar molecules and known as a polymer. It's a heavy molecule and its main job is water retention. Hyaluronic acid is found throughout the entire body, but in surprisingly small amounts. Nearly 50% of the content is in your skin. As you age, and especially after the age of 40, your body makes even less hyaluronic acid. So having a serum like this can be very helpful. The fantastic thing about hyaluronic acid is that each gram can hold up to 6 liters of water. That means it can hold up to 1,000 times or more of its own weight in water. To immediately answer your first question, can you just swallow a hyaluronic acid capsule and will it work the same? Yes, you can, and the results are fast and remarkable. However, you need to be forewarned of the side effects of the internal use of hyaluronic acid, which I can personally attest to: sleepiness, fluid retention, headaches, and brain fog. You can try a supplement first and see how it makes you feel. Should the supplement give you any side effects like water retention, I suggest you move on to this straightforward and inexpensive method of applying hyaluronic acid topically. I bought this hyaluronic acid powder on Amazon. It's quite inexpensive, and I will link to it below in the description area. All you do to make the gel is take 1 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder and add 7 tablespoons of distilled water. Before it gets too thick and dissolves fully, I transfer it to my glass pump bottle. Now you need to leave it for about 12 hours for the powder to fully dissolve and become a gel. If it looks lumpy, just give it more time. Lumps will eventually disappear. This is how much I got from 1 teaspoon. Now you want to keep this in the fridge if you're just going to use it on your face. However, I use it on my entire body every day, so this amount lasts about a week, so I just leave it in the bathroom. Right after getting out of the shower, apply a generous portion of hyaluronic acid to your entire body. Now this works best if your skin is a little damp when you apply it. Wait for the hyaluronic acid to dry, which takes less than a minute. Then promptly apply your favorite moisturizer or oil. On my face, I use Dr. Hauschka's Rose Moisturizer, which is quite thick. But on the rest of my body, I've tested many oils in the past few weeks, and I love the results from avocado oil the best. I suggest you experiment with all sorts of oils and moisturizers and see which one works best for your skin type. Hyaluronic acid lasts less than a day on the skin, so if it doesn't dry out your skin, consider applying the serum twice a day, morning and night. But if it does dry out your skin, perhaps only use it once a day and make sure to moisturize or use an oil twice a day. If you want to reactivate hyaluronic acid during the day and plump up your skin, I suggest you buy a fine mist spritzer and spray your face a few times during the day. Now, in addition to water, which you're going to want to drink plenty of, consider adding a good probiotic and an omega-3 supplement internally. I love flaxseed oil. These 2 supplements will help your skin retain moisture in addition to all the other amazing benefits they provide. You're going to see results immediately, but just remember that hyaluronic acid pulls moisture to it, which is why continuing hydration by moisturizing and drinking water is critical to this remedy's success. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, please consider leaving a thumbs up or a comment below.